Hey y'all, it's me again, Charlene from Charlene's Crochet Corner. And it seems like y'all have seen me quite a bit over the last few days. And I am back with another box from in the mail. I tell y'all, if anything, this is making me have a wonderful fiber diet and wonderful practice at making videos. So I appreciate both, and I appreciate the yarn more than y'all know. But let me scoot back here a little bit. As I was saying, I got another box, and today has been awful here. It has rained and rained and rained, and I've slept a good portion because when it rains, my joints hurt so bad because of the pressure change. So I just woke up a little while ago, but I still just feel just drug under, like I have just worked and worked and worked, and I hadn't done a dang thing. But I had not been able to stop a video and start it back. I never could figure out how to do it. And for some reason, I just now figured it out. And it's a good thing because I had missed my afternoon medications. And that will also make me yawn a good bit. So as long as y'all don't mind, I don't mind. And we'll go ahead and get on with this box. This box came from my good friend, Shirley Gartland. She has sent me stuff before, and it's always been big boxes like this. So all I did was slip the box, and so now, I see a card here on top. Oh, what a sweet card. I love flowers, y'all. I love flowers. Thinking of you. And wishing you brighter days ahead. Your crochet sister, Shirley Gartland. Oh, sweet Shirley, thank you so much. You are near and dear to my heart, honey. Near and dear to my heart. My box came in a little bit beat up, but that's okay. Let's see. The first thing I see here on top is a paper towel. And let me... Oh, my word. Let me get my light up here on this situation. Look. Oh, this is a beautiful blue. Oh, and it's an eye hook. I've been missing my eye hook. I mean, I don't have the furls hooks, but... And then this one is a G. A Susan Bates G. And I like these. Sometimes when I first start crocheting, I have to start out using something a little bit bigger because my hands are stiff and hurt. But then sometimes I can switch over and use these for a little bit. So thank you so much, Shirley. A furls hook. Man, this thing feels good. And this is how I hold my hook. I am just a get to it kind of girl. So thank you. Well, Lord help, I see a box, 2 boxes. Oh, let's get this open. See what is... These look like some more furls hooks. Oh, my word. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Divot. Oh, these are the divot wood. I have looked at ordering these divot shillip. I have looked at ordering these before. It's a mixed wood hook. Let's see, does it tell me what? This is a 5.5, which is an I. Look at this. Look at the beautiful wood in this. And this does not have to be furls. As long as it has this bigger part, the ergonomic hook, they work great for me. And let's see what size this one is. Surely you have spoilt me good, girl. Oh. And this is a 5. This is a H. And this is an I. Shirley, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Y'all, I am so excited. I've got 4 new hooks. 4 new hooks. Thank you, Shirley. I hope this don't mean that you are not going to be crocheting, because we can't have that now. We cannot have that. I mean, maybe you just don't like those hooks. Maybe that's it. Oh, I love this. It is in a zippered case. I love it. Love it. Love it. Because that way it's easy for me to store. I bet that's why you had it too, Shirley. Okay, now, looks like we've got some. Oh, wow, that's pretty. The Citrus Squeeze. I see 2 of these. This is a Knitcrate yarn. Citrus Squeeze. This is Superwash Merino with nylon and cashmere. It's fingering 439. And I am tickled to death. Oh, it feels so good. I love the colors. Oh, Shirley, thank you. Thank you. This bag is packed plumb full. Here's one that has maybe she probably used part of one and sent me what was left and then sent me her other one. Boy, this is as soft as can be. Oh, this is soft. This is called Glowing Worsted by Knitology. The colorway is C. Did I tell y'all the color? Yeah, I did. This is 40 of Superwash Merino, 30 silk, 30 alpaca. And this is a worsted weight. It's 150 yards. Is that a little? Oh, that's the string that is tied where you have to cut it to. Ooh, I love this color. I love how this feels. This feels just wonderful. Okay, now I see a couple 3 books. Let's see. October of 2019, she sent me that book. November of 2019 and December of 2019. The Knitcrate books. That must be where all these yarns are. Oh, here's some more pretty yarn. This is Vitalana. And she sent me 2 of these. One of them is unhanked. I can hank that back up though. Vitalana Ascendance, and the colorway is tassel, and it is 100% fine Peruvian Highland wool, 328 yards. This is a sport weight, it says. Look at that color. Is that not rich? Ooh, I can't wait to do that one. And then let's see if I can get this. This is the one. Let's see, I might not get it all the way like that. That's fine. That's close enough to snuff, wouldn't y'all say? And there's some more yarn down in here. Smells good. Vitalana Lofty DK. Oh, the color is mistletoe. This is 45 merino, 20 baby alpaca, 32 organic cotton. It's a DK weight. There's 274 yards in each hank. This is like a green and white. It's that that chain spun. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that, but it's a chain spun. I've never used this before either, and I am going to enjoy this. So that's what these books are for. It sure is. These books are for this yarn. Oh, I am so excited. Shirley, thank you so much. I have really been a good girl and didn't know it. I just got 3 Knitcrate sets. Well, no, I got the books for 3 and got the yarn for 4. And the hooks. And there's something else in the box. Let's see, I've got a hook hung up in this one. Let me get the hook hung out of this little ball of the blue. Oh, Shirley, you knew exactly who to send this to, didn't you, darling? You knew I would be very happy, and I am. I'm extremely happy. But these past few days, I've had a big smile on my face. Now, let's see what this is. This is, oh, it's another Knitcrate. Or 2. Okay, let's see what this is. Let me get the yarn out. Euro yarn. Sugar Sport. Oh my goodness. Look at all those sparkles. Oh my goodness. This is, the colorway is Lapis, and it's the Euro yarn Sugared Sport by Knitcrate. The colorway is Lapis. It's 70% superwash merino, 20 nylon, 10 stellina. It's 300 yards. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Here. Luminous by Knitcrate. Hello, friends. Oh, this is a card that you can look up what your patterns are going to be. Because of the pandemic, they were not sure they could get all the booklets printed. And so this is a digital download only card. So that's really neat. And then here's a book called Inspirations for March Then there's yarn in there, in the bag, another set of yarn. So I was going to see if, so this must be, oh boy, that is beautiful. Oh, I don't know, that feels so different. Labrebus by Knitcrate. Look at that pretty green color. Oh, I love this rich color. It is gorgeous. The colorway is, it's Labrebus Light Alpaca. Colorway is Baby Pines. This is 100% baby alpaca. Fingering weight 400 yards. And boy, do I love this yarn. Wow-wee. This feels really, really nice. I mean, this is super. Oh my goodness, this is nice. Oh, wow. Surely, surely, surely. I'm going to lay this down flat so that the sparkles from this yarn maybe won't get on the other. Of course, I don't look like it did it anyway. And then, let me see here. There's a Knitcrate box. Surely, golly Moses. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. I mean, this is like better than Christmas. Better than Christmas birthday. Better than Christmas and birthday and whatever else would be coming. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is glorious. Oh, this is the Creative Grandma one. Glenda the Creative Grandma. From our crochet world here. And the colorway is Sky. It's 80% superwash merino, 20% tencel. And it's a sport weight, 300 yards. I got 2 of these. And then it has, oh, a really pretty button. Look at that button that was in the box. That's a big button. It's a heavy button. Okay, let's see here. Here's the book. And let's see. This is from February of 2020. Yeah, Glenda Winkleman is the Creative Grandma. And here is her picture with a nice snowy background. Okay, so I got Sky. That's the chill out. Airy and light, this colorway features cobalt, purple, and sky blue on a natural cream background. So let's see what I can make. I can make some crochet socks and a crochet, it says toque, and fingerless gloves, which is just a hat. Let's see, there's the knit one. And here's the crochet one. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. Oh, and this is the colorway Sky is what this was made out of. So that'll be showing me exactly what it would be if I made it. Oh, I do love this hat. I don't know if y'all can see this. But it has, like, down here at the brim, at the bottom of the brim, it just rolls up instead of having a... Oh, I know who'll want this will be my granddaughter. I think that's what I'll do is I'll make this for her. Let me look at the yarn again. Let's see. Merino and Tencel. She'll be able to keep up with this good because she's got a nice backpack to put her stuff in. Anyway, I'll talk to her and see if she would like that made for her or for my other one. Now, this has got a scarf around this girl's neck. Let me see if there's a scarf pattern. There's not. It's either socks. And I don't know that this yarn would be good for the socks. This is a DK, and those are real thin socks. So no, that's for the other stuff, I would assume. But I'm not going to just assume that. Yeah. That's not what we need for these socks. But I just didn't know if there was a scarf, because there's a scarf around this little girl's neck on the book. But this is a really nice, looks like it'd be an easy pattern. Shirley, honey, once again, you kept my mind so straight and centered. I didn't even have time to go chase a rabbit and tell a story today. I mean, you just really kept me centered here. So, thank you, darling. But please tell me this is not meaning that you're going to quit crocheting. Just tell me that you had a lot of projects and you wanted to pass it on and share it. And that you had too many hooks and you wanted to share that too. Please don't tell me you're quitting crocheting, but if you are, then I will sure carry on in your honor. I will do these patterns and work up this yarn in honor of Miss Shirley Gartland. I sure will. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I cannot say thank you enough. I appreciate you very much. I'm just very blessed. Very blessed right now. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you so much. I'm just so glad you thought about me. I'm really, really honored that you thought about me. Y'all have a great day. Today's Monday, the August the 16th. And it's a nasty day outside. So anyway, it's been rather cool here today. And I'm gonna click off this and get this video started to upload. And today's Monday. Y'all might see it by Wednesday. Seems like it takes forever for my phone to upload anything. I live in the boonies, right under a mountain that takes about 25, close to 30 minutes to get to the top of the mountain. And it has a cell tower on top of it. And then 2 miles down the road is another big Verizon cell tower. So I've got them right here on top of me and right next to me. And we still can't get good signal. Today my nurse came, and today is Measurement Monday. And so he has to take pictures and measure the wound. And then he uploads it to his phone, and it goes directly to my doctor so she can see the pictures in my chart on how it's coming. And tomorrow I go to one of my doctors, and then on Thursday I go see the nurse practitioner for my wounds, because my wound doctor, Dr. Miller Cox, y'all have heard me talk about her numerous times on here. When I saw her about 3 weeks ago, she was 8 weeks out. She was booked for 8 solid weeks. And, I mean, she could not fit me in unless I would have come to her house. That's how bad her appointment schedule was. And so she wanted me to let the nurse practitioner lay eyes on the situation, and she would call her and let her know if there was anything else that needed to be done different. So I see her on Thursday. So, all right. Maybe y'all will see these by Thursday. So tomorrow I go to a doctor's appointment, and if these two are not uploaded, this video is not uploaded, then I will finish it up there because they have Wi-Fi. So, all right, y'all have a great day. Thank you, Miss Shirley. I love you to pieces, and I'll be talking to y'all later. All right. Peace out, y'all. Bye-bye.